everybody, it's Gregg Bissonette here at the Drum Channel. I'm here with my great friend, wonderful drummer, longtime student and pal, Adam Kuntz, and we're gonna do what song right now?
Smells Like Teen Spirit.
It does.
My favorite drummers and band leaders.
Oh, mine too.
Dave Grohl.
Huge Dave Grohl fan. I got to jam with him last year at a club not far from here with Chevy Metal.
Oh yeah.
And we played Everybody Wants Some and Unchained and Jamie's Crying. Shane Hawkins was playing,
Yep.
and I got to sit in on a couple tunes. Dave is so cool, man. What a drummer. When this song came out, when this album came out, Nirvana, man, took the world by storm. And so I'm not going to say that I'm going to play every note perfectly, but I wrote out a few notes, you know. Dave didn't go like this on the first fill. I always thought when I first heard it, it was this. 1, 2, 3, 4. But he puts a hi-hat in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that classic beat, and one of the things that really hit me was how dynamic this track was.
Yeah.
The verse, it just cuts right down to. It's a little bit looser hi-hat in the next part of the verse. Now that's not just this. The bass drum is playing and reinforcing the fill. The bass drum is going. That's a really cool fill because you don't lose the low end. You're listening to a track and it's all snare drums. Where'd the bass drum go? Instead of this, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's way cooler. Like Ringo, Dave Grohl is a huge Ringo fan. We've talked about Ringo and how much we love Ringo together a lot. Dave Grohl loves Ringo. So when Ringo played The End, well, Dave Grohl in this one bar plays that bass drum undercurrent eighth notes. Like this. And then back to the boom. Then there's the breaks. I'm just going to improvise on that. He mutes, I think, really cool there too.
Yeah, one thing I think about when I think about his playing on this track specifically, that's hard for people to play if they're coming off of playing normal rock beats, is all the upbeat, syncopated bass drum parts.
Yes.
In the fills, it's in the beat, it's in the signature fill of the song.
Yeah.
Is all upbeat 16-note bass drums. And I find sometimes like it sounds so different. If your bass drum's not right down the center of the E's and the U's, it totally changes the feel of the whole song.
Absolutely, and you can take some exercises like blacko, go blacko, go blacko, go blacko, go. And then the groove. beats. Boom, boom, bop, boom, 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 bop, Yeah.
Do you want to try it with the track?
Sure.
All right.
The whole world is watching. I wish I had prepared this better, but let's go. That's not easy. Very cool drum part. Those are parts, you know. There's playing a song and just kind of not being that interesting. And then there's playing signature parts. Those are signature parts.
You know, I think I remember reading an interview with Taylor Hawkins where he talked about how when he first started to play with the Foo Fighters, this is not the Foo Fighters, this is Nirvana, but Foo Fighters, Dave Grohl is the lead man of that.
Yeah.
And how nervous he was coming up with drum parts and working together with him to create drum parts before they really got to know each other really, really well. And
yeah, but then when he
just came
started
such a great relationship that the two of them had, you know?
Yeah. Taylor had some killer drum parts with the Foo Fighters.
Well, that's some of the drumming stylings of a la Dave Grohl. And I feel like for me, you've answered any questions that I would have.
Oh, thank you.
About this track. So,
well, Dave's a game-changing drummer.
That's
right?
true.
Boom.
I never thought of playing on the crash cymbal. I thought it was illegal when I first started taking lessons with you. This was the first time I ever rode the crash. If you haven't listened to Dave Grohl, let this be your first introduction to drumming styles that are like him with Nirvana.
Yeah, what a great game-changing drummer and amazing vocalist and songwriter.
Yep.
Cool, thank you.